To convert Bitcoin to BNB on Trust Wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and have an account set up with a Bitcoin balance. Next, you need to navigate to the dashboard of the Trust Wallet app where you can view all your cryptocurrency balances. From here, you need to click on the Bitcoin balance to open the Bitcoin wallet within the Trust Wallet app. After that, you need to click on the Send button to initiate the transfer process. However, since you want to convert Bitcoin to BNB, you will not be sending the Bitcoin directly. Instead, you will be using a third-party service to swap the Bitcoin for BNB. To do this, you will need to use a decentralized exchange aggregator such as Swap or Cross-Chain Bridge that is integrated into the Trust Wallet app. Click on the Swap button and select Bitcoin as the currency you want to swap from and BNB as the currency you want to swap to. Then, you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to swap and confirm the transaction. Make sure to review the transaction details, including the amount of Bitcoin you are swapping, the amount of BNB you will receive, and the fees associated with the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the swap will be processed and the equivalent amount of BNB will be deposited into your Trust Wallet BNB wallet. It is essential to note that the price of Bitcoin and BNB can fluctuate rapidly, so the amount of BNB you receive may be different from what you expected. Additionally, there may be fees associated with the swap, so make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming. By following these steps, you can easily convert Bitcoin to BNB on Trust Wallet. Always make sure to use reputable services and review transaction details carefully to ensure a smooth and secure transaction.